guys, good morning. It's Sunday. Wanted to touch base with you and show you a new plugin that I received for Final Cut Pro 10. It is a noise reduction plugin that is designed to take the background noise out of your audio track. So you might be wondering, like, what noise you're talking about. If you're like me, you work in an office or a home office and sometimes there's some background noise. Let's take a look at this plugin and see how it might be able to help you in the situation where you have some background noise in your audio track. The Era In is an audio plugin for Final Cut Pro 10. It is used to remove noise from the background of your audio track. It can also be used in other editors too. The beauty of Era In is it operates within the editor while you're editing your videos. You don't have to export and use other software to do the same thing. Okay, so how to use this plugin is really simple. So basically, I'm going to zoom in on this track. You just saw me read a little voiceover for the photo here, and basically what you do is you go over here, you've downloaded and run through the setup process for Era In. It is an audio effect, and you'll go down here and you can either search for it or type Era and it'll come right up. Now once you drop this Era In on this sound channel, you'll see the Era In is boxed out. You hit this control right here and it's automatically set up at 40%. On this. I think you can take it down. I usually run mine at about 30%, and I usually use the all frequency focus. Now these different symbols indicate different focuses you can adjust to. So you can adjust noise from high frequency, adjust noise from low frequency, adjust the noise from the high and the low frequency, and the reverse from the midtones only. You fiddle around with those and see which one works best is what I found. And I like just the all frequency focus at about 30%. If it's a little bit quieter passage and my voice is coming through strong, sometimes I'll go up to 40 or 50, but I've seen people roll this thing all the way over to 75% and it sounds good. And you just basically click and push up and down. Now, sometimes when you apply audio noise reduction, it will reduce the volume of your track. So they do give you a gain control here on the side so you can make up for any lost noise from the noise reduction applied. I rarely adjust that at all. I usually just do that in the editor. And that's about it. Once it's finished, it's applied and you'll see that the noise has been reduced, but the voice sounds good. Okay, for this first test, I'm going to play a sound passage that's really quiet, and then it's going to be followed by my voice reading. So go ahead and turn up your volume and put on your headphones and listen up for this passage. What you're listening for in the beginning is the background hiss and hum of the fans. That should give us a good long section of background noise against my voice coming directly after. Then I can demonstrate how the noise reduction works. The second test is going to be with noise reduction applied. Now listen at the same passage and with the noise reduction applied and see how it affects my voice, if at all. That should give us a good long section of background noise against my voice coming directly after. Then I can demonstrate how the noise reduction works. So as you can see, this software works really good at reducing noise in audio, and I would highly recommend it. It's very inexpensive and very effective. Give it a shot.